How to remove the Microsoft account sign-in option from Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you will need to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. Now you want to go to accounts and then you want to go to sign-in options. Now in the sign-in options you should click on password, and if you have already a password for your account or your local account, you can basically remove it from here. And in this case I don't have a password, and that's why it says add password. Now you want to make sure that you switch to a local account to be able to go without a password. So you can go to your info here, and if you have a local account you should see local account under your account name, and if you don't you should see an option here that says sign in with a local account instead. But since I have a local account already, it says sign in with Microsoft instead, which you should have a Microsoft by default if you used your email to sign in. And once you sign in with a local account instead, you will be able to set only a account name or username without a password or an empty password. And once you do that, you would basically be able to sign in without a password. And if you set a password, you can basically go to sign in options, password, and remove it from here or change it to a null or empty password to sign in without actually typing your password. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.